God, I love these things. Welcome back, darlings. E63S AMG today. Lovely car. I love fast wagons. I think they're amazing. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the wash of a car that is lovingly called Swirly Bassy, which I thought was a fantastic nickname for it. It is going to need some correction at some point. That's not in this video, hopefully in a future one to come. Now, the first time I ever clean wheels, I always use Built Hamber Auto Wheel because it's a very effective cleaner. So it'll get rid of most of the stuff, and then if there's anything left, I get a real feel for what is bonded onto the wheel. Particularly when you've got satin black rims and gloss ones, but they're difficult to really see the level of properly ingrained dirt. So starting off with a strong but mild cleaner, so maybe we should say potent but mild wheel cleaner is the best way I think to go ahead, and then in future washes I can ramp it up if I need to. Now, as we sit here and let Built Hamber's touchless do its work, I was going to say it could be a simple wash in this one. So it's touchless and a contact wash with Built Hamber's auto wash, and that's it. Any protection you see on there is from its last go at the supermarket car wash. It's doing all right still, and the main thing with me is to get this clean and really see the paint afterwards. So that's what I've been able to do. Not captured the swirls because it was raining. It's very difficult to capture it on camera, but it's there. And it's going to look fantastic when I get to polish it. But for this one, just sit back and enjoy watching the wash. I've been watching too much Homes Under the Hammer, I think. I love that transition when they switch between the before and after shot. Anyway, thank you for getting this far, thank you for watching it, and I shall see you in the next one, darlings.